Hello there, scientists. It is Thursday, March 11th, 2021, and we are wrapping up our unit on force. And so I would like to talk to you today about doing an experiment. It's experiment day, so I'm really excited. Yesterday, I talked to you about static electricity. And so you got to learn about static electricity a little bit. And so today you're going to be doing an experiment on static electricity. Let's see if it works. I don't think it's going to work on my dress. Nope. My hair. Nope. Obviously, there's certain fabrics that spread static electricity more than others. And you're going to be doing an experiment today on that. And so I'd just like to say ahead of time that if you do not have the materials that I'm directing you to for this activity, please watch my whole video, and then you can just record the data of what you see me doing. Okay. So of course, let me share my screen because that's what I do. All right. So again, you're talking about electric force today. You're going to watch this video, electromagnetic induction. Let's say that. Electromagnetic induction. Good. So watch this video. And then if you do have a balloon, you can definitely do this activity. But if you do not, you might want to continue watching. If you have a balloon, let me give you instructions. Today you will be exploring electric forces using a balloon. Looking for those shocks. Oopsie-daisy. Look for objects made of different materials like cotton, which most of your shirts, your clothes, your blankets are made out of, wood, metal, any kind of different kind of material. Could be like a silk. I have these things for wiping my glasses off, and these are kind of like a silky fabric. So that, I have this coaster, it's made of fabric. This is really thick. So we're going to be using different materials to check this out. Rub the balloon to an object and then see if it sticks to a wall or to your hair. Okay, I found out my shirt must not be made of cotton because it's some kind of, I think it's called rayon maybe, but it did not stick. So what you're going to do is find different objects. So if you do have a balloon at home, you can find your own objects. And you put the material here. So you could put metal, wood, silk. You could put a book, which is cardboard. So those are just some ideas. I'm looking around my room right now and I'm thinking plastic. I have a garbage bag over there made of plastic. I have actually a big stone. I could use that as well. And I just look around at what you have. I have a piece of wood right here that I'm going to use. So just look around at what you have. And then you're going to list that material here. So I'm going to start with wood. Does the balloon stick to the wall after you rub it onto the wood? Okay, so my first material is wood, and I'm going to rub it. Hopefully it won't pop it because we know that wood has slivers sometimes. Okay, I'm going to rub it. And then I want to try to stick it to the wall in that exact same spot that I rubbed it in. Because as you know, we're charging those positive, negative charges. Okay, so now let's see. Is it going to stick to the wall? Cool. So I'd write yes right there. Boom, boom, boom. Does the balloon stick to your hair? Okay, I'm going to find that exact same spot, or maybe give it a little extra rub. And does it stick to my hair? Let's see. Ready? Oh, I have a balloon growing out of my ear. Look at that. So I would put yes for that as well. All right. So again, if you want your own materials, go ahead and do this activity. You don't have to keep watching, but just remember there is a slide 5 that you need to reflect on what you just did. If you just want to use my materials and watch, please stay on with me. All right, my next material I'm going through or rubbing against, let's find, so wood was a great example, but it didn't come out like in my head. I'm predicting if it would if it would work or not, and it did. So my prediction, I was thinking it would not. Isn't that funny? Okay, so my next material is actually, I'm going to use my iPad. So what would this be made out of? Maybe, well, I guess this side is plastic and this side is more of like a rubber. So I'm going to say my iPad, okay? And I'll first try it on the plastic side. So I'm rubbing it on plastic. Okay. Give it a good 10 seconds. Building up those charges. Okay. Right where I rubbed it, that's where I'm going to try to hit it on the wall. Oh, no, it didn't work. Okay, rubbing it again. Okay, try to stick it to my hair. Oh, it worked on my hair, but not the wall. Isn't that funny? Okay, so we'll type in here plastic / iPad. Like the plastic piece of the iPad. I don't think that's glass. Like it sounds like glass. Maybe it's just a hard plastic because I'm putting plastic, guys. If you want to put something else, that's okay. So I'm going to say no on the wall. Yes to my hair, which seems weird that it would stick on one but not the other. So we're going to have to think about that as scientists, figure out why. All right, and then another material I'm going to find. What was another suggestion? I like these suggestions. Wood, cotton, metal. Okay, all right. Cotton, COTTON, cotton. Okay, so my cotton I'm going to use, actually, you know what, kiddos? I'm not going to put cotton. Cotton's an easy one, and you could definitely do that one. But I'm going to put flannel. It's another kind of material, and it happens to be the blanket that's sitting next to me that I use every day. So my turtle flannel blanket here, let's try that. Give it a good 10-second rub, rub, rub. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. Oh, it worked. Okay, so you might be able to say something about that. And then rub it again. Give it a good 5-second rub. Trying my hair now. Here we go. Oh, yeah, and it's actually on my cheek. You hear the vibrate. Hello. So yes and yes. I'll just kind of leave that on my cheek because it echoes my voice and it sounds cool. Okay. Yes and yes. That's another science experiment. Why is it vibrating my voice or echoing my voice? Ah, that's funny. Okay, and then we'll try, what else do I have around my room? Oh, I was gonna try cardboard. CARDBOARD, cardboard. Okay, get off my cheek now, Mr. Balloon. Oh, now my hair's sticking to my face. It's all staticky. All right, let me try. I have a little snack next to me. It's made of a cardboard box. It's cashews and roasted, salted and roasted. So this is a cardboard box. I'm gonna rub it on there. Boop, 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 boop. And then try to touch the wall. Oh, we've got something there. Okay, it didn't fall. It tried to, but then it collected again. We need more. Maybe I go faster. It's part of all the science experiment. Go faster or rub longer. Try it. And I'm going to stick it to my hair. Oh, that's a no. So I'm going to put a yes for the wall, no to my hair. Haha, cool. And then to reflect. Okay, to reflect, I'm going to answer these questions. Which materials cause the balloon to stick to the wall? All right. So I would list the flannel, not the plastic, right? I don't remember the plastic working. Okay, the wood and the cardboard. Okay, flannel, wood, cardboard. Okay, next question. Which materials cause the balloon to stick to your hair? Okay. Wood, plastic, flannel, wood, plastic, flannel. Wood, plastic, excuse me, flannel. Now, I'm going to make these into complete sentences because that's what we do. The materials, and I just use part of the question in my sentence, my answer, the materials that caused the balloon to stick to the wall were flannel, wood, and cardboard. Oh, not sick, stick. Thank you for correcting me, computer. Okay, and then the materials that caused the balloon to stick to my hair were wood, plastic, and flannel. So you just want to make those complete sentences. And oh, isn't that nice, Mr. Computer? I just right click and it fixes it for me. Thank you, computer. And then what do you results should say what do your results tell you about the types of charges? What do our results? So the types of charges I noticed with the materials I used were all positive, negative, fully charged, not fully charged. You get to finish that sentence. You are welcome. Okay, so this is the last lesson of the science unit, and we will start on Michigan history on Monday. I look forward to that. And so I hope you had fun in this unit, and we might just, depending on things, we might just do a little assessment too. So I'll let you know about that. Thanks for watching, scientists, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.